like Dead TV's Good Life.
Why are we laughing, you ask? Because we're going to try to craft. Try to be crafty, and that's always funny.
Well, she said, okay, she sends me a video. Guess where I am? She said, that's Hobby Lobby.
I love Hobby Lobby.
Yeah, a lot of people love Hobby Lobby, and that's awesome. So then I'm like, oh, she's going to bring a bunch of stuff in. So she goes and grabs a piece of scratch paper, probably wide.
It's our rundown. So here's what I got this great idea. I saw it on easycraftsforadults.com. And the word easy was the key word there.
Okay.
And I saw it and I thought, Ryan, I can do this. So I said, get any kind of clear jar or vase that you want.
Any size. So I brought
any size.
Different sizes.
Yes.
I don't need the lid, I take it.
You don't need the lid. And what we're going to do, I went to my favorite store, which Ronnie did not. I sent you a picture of Hobby Lobby. You said you're getting hives. I just video. I go, look where I'm at, and she goes, I'm getting hives.
The thing is and Hobby Lobby, I get lost in it. It's so overwhelming for me because I'm not. The photography section, the framing section.
Yeah, they moved all that around. So
oh, did they?
Yeah, you'll have to go in there one of these days.
Yeah, I might have to. Jalen takes me, and Jalen is like a shopper. She could spend 3 hours in there.
You can. You can get ideas. Oops. So the idea of this project is,
do we just have two colors?
Well, I was looking for white.
Okay.
And I didn't find white, so I thought, let's do silver or gold.
Want me to shake one?
You can shake one, and I'll shake. So the idea is, you get a piece of, well, I thought for us we should get a piece of paper, and what you want to do is think about a pattern you want to put on a clear. The white looks really good on these, the white marker, but silver and gold is just as nice as well because you can interchange them both. And you're going to decorate your jar with these oil-based permanent pens. They say they are. So
that's all there is to it.
That's Ronnie. Seriously, I thought this was a two-sided. Isn't this a two-sided? A bullet or a chisel? Where's the chisel end? Is it on?
Maybe. Maybe.
Is there? Well,
maybe it's one and the same.
No, it says a bullet.
2 millimeter. Oh, see if you go one way.
Reversible tip. Reversible tip.
If you go one way.
Does this come off?
No, this isn't that.
It says it is. Where's
the
maybe
other? If you go like. Does this
let's
have
learn how to use the pen first.
I don't know if this pen works.
Okay, so you. This is going to take 2 seconds. Okay, so you got to get. You want it? Okay. Okay, instructions. Shake well with cap on. Okay, let's start.
We would try.
Let's start here. Shake well with a cap on.
Okay.
Press tip. Press tip.
To activate the.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep out of reach of children. Okay.
Well, then why do we have it?
Okay, but where's the other? Oh, I guess if you go, well, no, it's still the same. But it says you could do a bullet or a chisel. Ooh, see, doesn't that look? Oh, wait, do you have the chiseled end? No, yours is a bullet end. Well, either way.
Okay, that's really.
You can't mess this up, can you?
I'm glad Amber's not watching.
I know. So, either way. Oh, instructions.
You would have thought.
I really wondered where the chisel tip is because
I think it's the way you maybe hold it. Maybe if you hold it. Ooh. Thick.
So anyways, what you do is you go with your clear jar and you make whatever design. Now, the tip, no pun intended, to this is when I saw it on wherever I saw it, they said start your design in the middle and then go up and down from there and then out to the side. We've already gone through 5 minutes, 4 minutes of
say that again.
So if this is going to be my design, you want to start in the middle with your design and then from there go up or go down and then go around and try to get the same design on the other side.
Okay, so my suggestion to you, if you're going to try this at home, this has grooves in it.
Oh, so that could be even more fun.
Oh, I was thinking it'd be more
of a challenge.
I thought it was going to be more of a challenge.
Because you can do something cool in the grooves.
But the groove is in the heart.
Okay, well,
isn't that a song?
So here we go. I don't know.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so I'm going to try And you know, it doesn't have to be perfect because
Well, no, because it's yours.
Well, and the idea of this is.
And where'd you get your patron there? You just come up with that?
It just came in my brain.
Okay.
See, look at that already. Can you see that? Oh, where are you?
Oh.
Right there. See?
My jar's
And
got
then
my
I'm going to do a dot here.
my vase isn't. Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. We're just getting all sorts of ideas. And what are we calling this craft, Carol? Exactly.
We are calling it oil marker paint pens on glass. So what you do is you get any kind of jar. You can do a mason jar. You can do a vase. You know, how many of us, like you said, have flower vases after we get our flowers and they just sit around? So I saw this craft. You get these markers. These are, I got a gold, white would show up, but like Ronnie said, if you had a candle to put in here, they would, I like that.
Or just do like a rock. Well, I don't know what I'm doing.
You're doing like I like that, Ronnie. See?
Look at, yep.
And you can do, the other color I did have, but I put it back, was the, whoopsie, where did I go? Was,
what color?
oh, it was the rose gold would show up nice. I thought, let's just do silver and gold to start with, because we're not that good yet. But
you know, this would be, I mean, how many vases do you have? And you're like, what am I going to do with these?
A ton of them.
Yeah.
And you can do, and then, you know, put these on your deck in the summertime. And
I think putting a candle,
a candle in them would look nice. Oh, that, I like that. And do you want to use, you can use silver. We can switch up and
do you want to switch
colors.
up?
Well, you let me know when you want to switch up.
Well, let's switch.
Okay, let me finish. Okay, there's that.
Because this.
Okay, I think I would do. Maybe I'll go around the bottom, but what kind of, okay, let's do. Okay.
Yeah, I think. And then where did you find the markers? Because I think that's half.
Store.
Well, I know, but I have to have the direct location. Oh, okay.
Oh, see, and they don't have to be perfect because right now mine's
But you know
perfect.
what? You could fill those with M&Ms, little rocks, and then you can put. We can do whatever you want to with it, actually.
Yeah.
I don't.
You can.
That's terrible, Ronnie.
No,
that
it's
is
not.
that's
No, it's
absolutely
not.
terrible.
And see, I don't make straight lines because then that way, if it's a crooked line, that means it was supposed to be that way,
Yes.
right?
Oops.
But
Ooh,
these
that might-
pens really.
Yeah.
Oh, see there, I kind of did. Well, that's really not what I wanted to do, but then again, I know what I wanted to do.
What's really fun, ladies and gentlemen,
Is what?
and kids of all ages, we keep our crafts in our office.
It's a crafty looking. It's inspiration for us.
Yes.
Saying we could do
But you know
better
what
next time.
But do we?
Well, I smudged that one. You don't want to touch it until it's dry. See, there's the gold I put on it.
Yeah, that's really pretty. That's really pretty, Carol. I guess I'm just.
Just do whatever inspires you
I am.
and whatever easy to draw. Okay, so there's that.
I know I got that song stuck in my head.
Oh.
I had Creed stuck in my head all morning.
Oh, and you gotta make sure you don't touch it before.
Well, I don't know what I'm doing. I put I. Can I have that color when you're done?
Yes.
When you're
Here you
done,
go.
please, thank you.
And hopefully this, I like your little rims are yes, Ronnie, I like what you're doing.
Well, okay.
I like it. I do.
Yeah, it's.
Because I like this.
See now, if I had another, see now here it comes. It takes me a while
she's
for my.
getting in her.
But I need another color. Can you go get me a?
I'll be right back. Seriously, the white you need to try white because
the white. But I love white. That's like my favorite hue.
Well, you know what's kind of coming back is those milk cream colored. Oh, I like vases. I like the way you're going. That's artistic. No, I like it. You know, the milk cream colored vases are kind of back in style. Well, it's all that. Oh, I got those.
See, now that reminds me of.
Yeah,
it's the 1960, 50, 67. Remember that? And this is going from the antique stores and stuff. Those glasses that came in green and they had the little gold.
Yes.
And I know there's the patron has a name. I mean, it all has a name. But anyway, that's what that reminds me of. And that's what I was trying to do here. It took me back to my.
To somewhere.
Yeah. I mean, this is better than. popsicle sticks by far.
I wait till my next craft.
I can't. But I can't.
I know you'll be so excited.
Oh.
But look how easy that is. I do like that.
What a great thing to do this Easter. I mean, how many? I have a drawers full of these.
Yeah, I do like this. That is and look how easy. And then again, if you want to do just white, because white really pops, you know. But these pop too.
That pops too. Yeah. That's really good, Carol.
How fun is that? And you know, take your old flower vases, or like I said, the mason jars. Maybe draw some flowers on it.
Yeah, I should have started with a smaller one. It would have probably been a little bit more. Because I didn't know what we were doing. Because she goes, surprise, surprise, surprise.
So anyway, we try to be creative.
Yeah.
Can I use that?
Try is the
keyword.
Yeah, is that an adverb?
Okay, and then I do 1, 2.
Look at this.
3.
All right, friends. Stay with us, because we will reveal the finished product at the end of the show.
Hopefully.
We'll be right back.
We'll be back.